Hey, it's Jackie. In this video, I want to go over the steps to create a subpage video in here. I think I made one the other day, but I deleted it. So I wanted to review those steps. That way, not a subpage video, a subpage rotator of sorts, which we use a particle called Spiper. The first task would be to upload your images to a folder in the image manager. I don't recommend using galleries. And if it would be helpful to create your own folder inside one of these, just the nomenclature of the folders is lowercase, no spaces. So we actually might make one that it says journey articles, or we could call it stories, because that way we have a distinction between articles in the website versus this folder here. And again, this folder just may not be used in the long run moving forward. So I have a couple of pictures that I'm going to go ahead and upload directly to this folder. Okay, and then it's also been discussed to name these accordingly. That way you have a better way of finding them. So if you can name them based on your story name, that might be helpful. So first task, upload these. Then we can go to something called the module manager, which is either this icon here or under extensions and modules. And then we made this one the other day. That's not today, so that was yesterday. Maybe it is still there. Let's go check it out. I thought I took it away. Yep, nope, it's still here. The one that I created the other day is still there. So if the height and width of this looks sufficient, we can leave it alone. Or, yeah, there's nothing to keep it from going all the way across. So I'm going to leave this one alone. I'm going to choose Save As Copy. And this one is going to be sample. I'm going to change the status to published. My menu assignment can stay on all pages. And then in the particle itself, the only thing I'm going to change, unless you want to change the height, you can change the height here, both desktop height and mobile height. And then right now, though, there's no overlay. We've set it to 0, which is completely transparent. And then if there's some other slide settings that can be adjusted in here in terms of the speed, and whether or not this is set to link on its slide on its own, or how it's set to, what effect it's set to use. The thing we really want to focus on is the items right here. So we're going to choose, click on an item, choose its picture, which is going to be the root folder, is called stories. And then I made that journey art stories folder. So one at a time, I'll go through here. Stories. I've already forgotten his name. This is not leaves anymore, it's St. Paul. So the name doesn't necessarily matter. I can delete, I can copy, I can edit, are what these buttons all mean here. So I'll pick another one. Apply, apply. Once you've made it the way you want it, I want to choose save and close. And then here it is. My ID number is 168. Great. And then back in whatever article I'm working in. Not a rotator. I'm going to go. I'll use the same one I did the other day just to give you. 416. Okay, I'm not sure why there's two of these articles, but probably someone's just building, unless it was already there and I didn't realize it. That's very possible. Okay, so to add this to an article, I'm going to type in bracket module number dash one, whatever the ID number is. I'm going to take out, I'm going to save that, and then I can go back to the website and refresh and see my new rotator. I do have pagination dots. Oh, these are vertical. Haha. That's the effect as well, the effect of this rotator. So nonetheless, I hope that's helpful. Let me know what questions you have. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.